Pokémon trading cards worth. Values could increase in 2024. It takes about 25 years for something to really start to feel nostalgic, and Pokémon cards will soon be a hot new item for vintage collectors, according to some experts. While 2021 technically marked the 25-year milestone for the Pokémon franchise's 1996 launch in Japan, the base set launch in the United States in 1999 is widely attributed as the key start of the global Pokémon craze, according to a spokesperson from Collectors. Logan Paul sports Pikachu. After Paul's win in the ring, the Guinness Book of World Records was there to award him a plaque for purchasing the most expensive Pokémon trading card sold at a private sale, at a listed price of $5,275,000. For people who grew up collecting TCG cards like Pokémon, that moment is occurring right now, and an important driver for being able to act on that nostalgia is having disposable income, which also happens when you're in your 30s and 40s, said Collectors CEO Nat Turner. 2022 Pokémon SWSH Black Star Promo 262 Full Art, Charizard Vistar Sword and Shield Ultra Premium Collection Charizard. 2022 Pokémon Japanese Sword and Shield Incandescent Arcana 069 Full Art, Braixen.